And now the end is near, so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled in and every highway. Oh no, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, saw it through without exception. I've planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. Oh, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I've been on more than I could chew. But through it all, when there's no doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, but I stood tall and hit it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, found my thrills, my share of losing. But now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh, no, not me, I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has none to say the words he truly feels, and not the words he will reveal. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. Danke, tschüss, macht's gut.